Hello, I'm François Charfin. I will in this video present you the research results in ontology mediation in the SEKT project. We want to demonstrate that it is possible to query uniformly different information sources by using mediation techniques. In this example, we relate the database of the digital library developed by British Telecom to the Proton ontology developed by Ontotext. Let's first query the Proton ontology without using any mediation technique. I have here a little program that loads the Proton ontology and its associated knowledge base into the reasoner Kaon. It then executes a query here to retrieve articles from the knowledge base. The query is a Sparkle query. Let's execute it and have a look to the results. The program connects to the reasoner, loads the ontology, and query. We can see that we have two instances, two articles returned by this query. Let's see now how to create the mapping between Proton and the digital library using the tool from Enterprise, OntoMap. We will now realize the mapping between Proton and a digital library using OntoMap. We have opened the ontologies and we will try to locate the entities to be related. In our case, articles. An article is an entity. It is an object, it is a statement, an information resource, a document, and is published. Here is the concept article in the Proton ontology. The database schema has no hierarchy. Tables are modeled as concept. We directly find the article table and we relate it to the article concept. As they are equivalent concepts, we can realize a bidirectional mapping. Conference papers are also articles, and journal articles are obviously also articles. Now that our mapping has been realized, we can export it to the mapping store that will store it until we need it for execution time. We use the mapping store wizard, select the project and the directory where it will be stored. Here is the store. Okay. The mapping has been correctly exported. We can now return to our query program and see how the mapping will improve our results. We have modified the program that now loads the mapping from the store into the reasoner, together with the Proton ontology and the database schema. We will execute the query again and see what are the differences. The program now opens the mapping store to retrieve the mapping, export it to all rules, and query again. As we can see, we have more results. The two results coming from the Proton knowledge base are there. But now we also have two conference papers and two journal articles instances. We have demonstrated that using mapping, we can integrate different information sources. This can be extended to as many information sources as we want. We will provide support to more complex queries, as well as automation of the mapping discovery. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.